everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report analysis videos on Friday 26th of May with me, Japan market analyst at Hampton Markets, looking at cable. And cable started to fall away. This has come overnight with the announcement of a poll that suggests that the Labour Party is really tightening down on the Conservatives, down to 5%. That sort of gap had been in the high teens, maybe 20% previously. So this is a real tightening, and suggests that the sort of election is becoming increasingly tough to call in terms of not only number of seats, but possibly whether the Tories are going to get a majority at all. So that's helping to drag sterling lower. Now you can see here 4 out of the 5 days now we're seeing sterling lower. This is now sort of breaking this run of higher lows on sterling. This little uptrend that we've had in the last sort of few weeks, ever since Theresa May called the election, is now being broken. So the sort of post calling the election sterling rally is now coming certainly to an end, looking more consolidating. I think 127.75 is a key breakout level, being the basis of support. Old resistance becomes new support. Old resistance of that December high became new support, and I think that is a key level to gauge how well the Tories are doing now in this election. Initial support has been broken, 28.90 broken today, now testing that 28.40 level that we had a couple of weeks back, and then you sort of break that and you're looking back at 27.75 again. Momentum indicators increasingly corrective, RSI back at 50, MACD lines falling, stochastics falling. It does look as though possibly now, certainly if that 28.40 level is breached, we could see a test of that 27.75 level. Hourly chart looks pretty corrective now, although breaking down, I suppose you'd be looking out for initial resistance coming in at 29.25. That old support becomes new resistance. A bit of a pivot line around that as well. Not too bad as a pivot. So yeah, I think any sort of rally you get now, I think, is a chance to sell near term. I think the cable is going to become increasingly choppy with the polls. Only 2 weeks to go now until polling day, so I think there is the likelihood that these, when the polls come out, they're going to be sort of driving sterling higher and lower. So be careful and keep that in mind. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.